Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you are seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 465. As a continuous follower of our video presentation, you may know that for a very long time we are trying to find some direction above or below 460 and 462. Yesterday the market opened above that and we expected the price to stay up. So finally what happened, the price gave a breakout above 467 and it went up till 475 and closed near that. It's a huge gain for copper market, and finally we picked some direction. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 473 or 472 based on COMEX price direction. We predict the price opening. No change in our strategy. Still you can expect copper to stay in buying, but the only thing is where we will place the stop. Till 467 you can go for buying by placing stop loss near 465, expecting that the price can move and hit the next target of 480 in near term. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.